Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to turn on or turn off link to Windows shortcut in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on accessibility. Now in accessibility, click on advanced settings and here click on accessibility button. Now here click on select actions and then scroll down to the end, and here you will see a link to Windows option. So if you want to turn on the link to Windows shortcut, then select link to Windows from here and then click on allow, and then the link to Windows shortcut will be turned on. And if you want to turn off link to Windows shortcut, then tap on this option here again and deselect it, and after deselecting, the link to Windows shortcut will be turned off. So that's how you can turn on or turn off link to Windows shortcut in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.